So the pieces all like deform as you move it. There's 3 pieces in it, and then they all spiral out like that. And so then you can spiral the other 2 out. And I imagine, again, like a lot of these, they're harder to put back together than to take apart. And maybe, let's see. There we go.
Puzzle time.
Puzzle time with Tony and Tyler. He's Tony, I'm Tyler.
Episode 10.
Episode 10, yeah. We have done 10 episodes already. That's cool. So, yeah.
Today. I decided we would dress up today. we read the comments. We know what's going on. It's true. Yeah. What'd you call these?
3D printed puzzles. Bunch of colorful 3D printed puzzles. There's a couple things that aren't 3D printed, but the gist of this is 3D printed.
Very cool.
Yeah, these are called Tower of Torment. They are actually, we thought they were all different. We pulled the different colors out, thought maybe they're different levels. Definitely not. They're all the same puzzle.
Yeah, there's a red one that's sold out too, so there's a red color as well.
Yeah, apparently you all like red lots.
Yeah. Made of 3 pieces.
Yep.
It's 3 pieces, right? They all kind of slide, right? Hidden maze on the inside.
Yeah. Well, it's semi-hidden, because you can kind of see, if you look down it, you can actually see there's like little metal.
Oh yeah, you can see the pins.
You can see the pin. Yeah, you're right, though. It's mostly hidden. You can't see all the maze, obviously.
Yeah, so secret game to this. There is 3 animals hidden within this game. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a dragon right there.
Yeah, right there, a dragon in that little...
I think there was 3 architectural things as well.
Yeah, which would be like that window, right? There's like a little window. And then you flip it the other way and you can see a bit of the maze. So there's some of that.
Yeah. It said, find Simon and Chris.
Simon and Chris.
Simon and Chris. Yeah. I'm not sure what that means, but there is, on the inside of these pieces, once you start taking them apart, there's a bunch of random lettering.
Yeah, you can see lettering. I bet you got to find the name Simon and the name Chris in that lettering. I bet you that's what it is.
Yeah. So these were, I think these were shown at IPP 35?
35. Right
IPP 35.
Yeah, it's designed by, or 3D printed by Puzzle Shed, and then designed by Simon Bexfield.
Simon Bexfield.
Yeah, I like the 3D printed stuff just because it feels neat. Like it's got there's always a lot of texture to it on the surfaces, and so and it's neat too. On the bottom, you can kind of see how the 3D printing. Like you can see like the patterns in it, and that.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah, lots of interesting little hidden stuff. Like at first, you pick this up and it looks fairly simple, but there's a lot of different dynamics to it. I like that they have like multiple different things you have to find. Solutions, that sort of stuff.
Puzzle Masters Pillbox, again, Hidden Labyrinth, 3D printed puzzle. There you can kind of see it there. Problem Bodum?
No, this one is, what's that? No, this is just Puzzle. This is Puzzle Master branded, yeah.
Problem Bodum made a hidden maze one as well. That's kind of like a sleeve like this, so it's just a little as you move through the.
Oh really?
Have you played it there as much?
What was that? What's it called?
I think it's just called Blind Labyrinth 1A.
Oh, no, I haven't. I like. Well, when you say Problem Bodum, you mean Floyd, right?
Oh man, I got really close with that.
It's cool. So this one opens up, right? And there's a red and then a blue maze in there as well.
Oh, we'll hold it this way.
There you go.
Okay, yeah. So there's a little maze in there.
So then this will pull out, and then with the black one, and then there's a red or blue, whatever color is like in the maze. So there'd be one you pull out this way, and then once you get that one out, then there's another one you pull out this way. Have you seen it apart?
This one, no.
No. That's cool. Yeah, there's a video of your dad and your nephew
playing with
that one. Yeah.
Okay.
We should we'll put it up here. We'll have it on the side here for you guys to watch. But it's Wyatt and Allan doing the pillbox.
Cool.
You'll see it all. It all comes apart. They take it apart. So there's a red. You understand what I mean, though? When this comes out, there's a red one that comes out here, and then when you pull that red one out, then there's a blue one that comes out of that. I think, or vice versa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It's a level 7, so it's kind of the same difficulty as these ones. Not crazy difficult. I like the maze stuff. It's fun to work it through.
Yeah. Level 7 means that you'll do it in less than an hour or two. So
feasibly.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's four pieces in that. So the outside is the piece, and then there's 3 mazes, right?
Oh, okay.
So 3 of the inside. Yeah.
Very cool.
So yeah, that's the pillbox. Again, 3D printed. And last, I'll talk about this one, I guess. This is called the Bobby's Cube. And now it looks fairly standard, simple thing, but then you push on it, and it's so not a crazy difficult puzzle. I think it's only a level 7 as well. And honestly, in my opinion, it could have been less than a level 7 because it's not like super hard. So the pieces all like deform as you move it. There's 3 pieces in it. And then they all spiral out like that. And so then you can spiral the other 2 out. And I imagine, again, like a lot of these, they're harder to put back together than to take apart. And maybe, let's see. There we go. Not crazy hard. So, yeah, Bobby's Cube, 3D printed again by Puzzle Shed. So the same guys who did this printed that one. And it's designed by Robert Reed.
Robert Reed.
Yeah. So, yeah, you just saw the solution there. It's take it apart, put it back together. Yeah. It's really neat how it moves.
And this way?
Yeah. That's the hard one, I think, to get in, is that right there.
There you go.
Yeah, you just find the spot and then it slides in.
Alright.
And it's got a whole bunch of stuff. Let's say Twisted Thinking.
3D printing.
Spelled
Copyright 2017.
T-H-R-E-E-D-Y. Yeah.
Robert Reed.
Designer. And then it says, didn't it say metagrabologist on there?
Yeah.
You guys, metagrabologist, for those of you who didn't know, is someone who does puzzles, I guess.
I didn't know that.
You did not know that. There is actually the Metagrabologist magazine is out there. It's a printed publication and they have an online presence as well, and they just do articles on puzzles. So it's called the Metagrabologist magazine. Check them out. Actually, it's really good, and they do some cool features on different designers. Yeah, they've had Puzzle Master stuff in there quite a bit actually, I'm sure. So yeah.
All right.
So what do we got next? Should we talk about Ice 9?
Ice 9.
This is the hottest new thing. Well, I guess it's not that new.
It's from Uesaka.
Uesaka, yeah. So, Ice 9 is the hardest of... It's a level 10. It's the hardest of the Uesaka puzzles at this point. And, yeah, Chris Ramsey did a video on it just recently. So as we shoot this, I think like yesterday, he released a video on it. And so we'll run that video here in the corner. You'll see it, and you can see a bit more of that. He goes really in depth into solving it. Now, we watched the video. I really liked it. Again, they have some cool stuff that Chris does where they show you the puzzle up close and some really sweet video. But he did a solve on it, and it took him on this timer.
It said 2 hours.
It says 2 hours, 10 minutes, and then he said it took him extra because he stopped the timer. So it figures it took him about 3 hours, which, I don't know, I've watched his videos. He does not take a long time on these. So this is the one that really got him.
Okay.
And yeah, again, it's a packing puzzle and very similar in some ways to the other ones. Really different though in the fit of the pieces on this. So like it has these kind of rounded pieces.
Like cloud pieces.
Yeah, it looks like clouds or ice, I guess is obviously what he's going for with the name. But should we give a hint?
Nope.
No hints. No spoilers
hints
here. But yeah, it's not... Some of his other puzzle pieces I find like they fit together pretty tight. This one's tight and loose kind of at the same time. So it's not... yeah, really good. Great solution on this. And if you really want to challenge, like we said, it's the hardest one from Iwasaka. So
here we go.
It's good. It's a really good puzzle.
Yeah, we'll toss this one there. Oh no, that ain't it.
Ice 9 though, check it out. Chris's video is really good. An awesome solve on it. I loved watching it. It entertained both of us watching that. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. Ice 9 is a great puzzle. We're making it here in Saskatoon too. So it's getting laser cut, and then we do a bit of that. So it's yeah, Yu's given us permission to, for at least a limited run, make a whole bunch of them. So that means more are going to be available for you guys, and definitely something you should check out.
Yep.
Yeah. Good stuff. Ice 9, Iwasaka. If you haven't tried his other stuff, he has a whole wide range of other puzzles. You need to get those, because they are hard to get first off and hard to solve, and then just really unique solutions on them. This one especially, I loved this solution on this.
Yeah, they sell out as soon as they come in. So
yeah,
stay on top of the emails. Be quick.
Yeah, get in there. So yeah, we're gonna do. Should we jump in our last feature here, I guess? Right. So we've been doing the puzzle challenges, and other times we've done it where one of us knows the solution to the other puzzle. Today we are grabbing a puzzle that neither of us knows the solution to. What's it called again? It's
Biscuits, Bitten Biscuits.
Bitten Biscuits.
Bitten Biscuits.
Bitten Biscuits.
Yep.
Bitten Biscuits. Say that 3 times fast, hey? So yeah, it's got, actually the first thing I wanted to point out, it's got a package that has a whole bunch of Korean writing on it, actually. So, Korean puzzle, I guess.
You know, with Korean on this?
That's what they said.
You know
they said it's Korean, is the writing. Yeah. It's by Wow Puzzles. It's designed by one of our favorites, Jin Hoo An.
Jin Hoo An.
Didn't he do some of the Hanayama stuff, right?
I remember what the last one, yeah.
He did some Hanayama puzzles. But, yeah. So it's a level 8, so a little more difficult maybe than some of the other stuff we've done. And then it's got these 3 pieces, and you just got to get them together. And so it says to, on a flat surface, create an image of mirrored symmetry. So yeah, these pieces do not look like they're going to create mirrored symmetry anytime soon. But yeah, should we jump into this?
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
So how do you even win this one?
Well, how do you solve?
What is the solve on this?
The solve on the Bitten Biscuits is, and that's all Korean.
Oh, okay.
Let's see on your phone. Or my phone. It's this is the symmetry one, right? This is all making, yeah, it's just got to be a symmetrical shape.
Does that just mean like one side the same as the other side?
Yeah, so like you can cut it in half and it's exactly the same on both sides. Not exactly where, because obviously you'll have cuts, but it would be the same. Like if you did an outline of it, you could cut it and it would be exactly the same. Okay.
How do you know when you've won then?
Well, you got to figure it out. So you find when you do it. I don't know. We'll try this for a while and see.
The first solution looks like this.
Okay. What?
The puzzle is exactly symmetric on both sides of the line. We're using this long axis of symmetry in the third piece, and we fit the other two in. The other solution has the bottom two pieces swapped
Yeah,
and
Let's pause
rearranged
that.
to
You go back. a
Go
little
back. Right here. Oh, right there. That's the first one. So how does he do that? There. And it goes inside. No, this is the wrong way.
bit. Like that.
There it is, right there.
Or
Yeah. So this is one solution.
how do you do that?
Right here.
Figure
So then-
inside.
You just gotta. No, you had it right. Oh, right there. Yeah. There. So that's one.
Yeah.
Did he? So
Yeah,
what,
yeah.
this
So,
one's
so
like
turn the
that,
big corner out.
and then this one's there. Is that
I think it goes the other way. Like that's the.
this? There
yeah,
we
yeah, there.
go. Okay. So that's the second solution.
Cool solution. when
That
it's
is
all
crazy.
done, Yeah. I would have
Yeah.
never thought of that.
So you split it down the middle. So that's what solution one, solution two.
Yeah, so that was me beating Tyler at the Bitten, at the Bitten Biscuits.
Bitten biscuits.
Bitten Biscuits.
Yeah, right? So it looks like you bit a bite out of it. Biscuits,
Oh,
right?
that makes way more
Bitten
sense. Yeah,
Biscuits.
makes sense. Okay.
So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We had some cool 3D printed stuff. And then the Ice 9 from Uesaka. Again, follow us on
Instagram,
Instagram,
YouTube,
YouTube. You can subscribe.
notifications.
Click the little bell, ding ding. And Facebook.
We got Facebook stuff.
Lots of reviews, lots of solutions coming out.
Yeah. Tell us what
Good
you want to
stuff.
see.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week. We'll talk to you again soon. See ya.
All right.
Where are my eyes?
Button.